The Christmas season is just around the corner, and our family enjoys the festive atmosphere and get-togethers that it offers. It is undoubtedly the most memorable time of the year. From searching for the greatest gifts for your loved ones, to organizing meals and elaborate parties. However, on a more practical and serious note, it might be a bit daunting to your bank account. Hello, my name is Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share our strategies to save money during the holidays. Number 1. Make a budget and stick to it. If you just walk into a store and start purchasing anything you want, you're likely to wind up overspending and regretting it afterwards. The easiest way to prevent this issue is to set aside some time to create a budget. Don't just sit down and scribble figures on a piece of paper, be realistic with your Christmas budget. Take a seat and consider everyone on your list. It's not a big deal if this takes a few days. If necessary, you can add, subtract, and alter the numbers. Examine your prior year's expenses to get a sense of how much you spent last year and where you may save money. A debt-free Christmas season should be your goal. Therefore, you must stick to your budget after it has been established. I know this can be super hard when you find a gift that you know someone will love, but it's just over your price range. I know you'll probably say to yourself that you will spend less in another area, but that never works out, does it? You made a budget, now stick to it. Number 2, don't buy anything for yourself. I know it's difficult since there are so many fantastic bargains out there. Is a new scarf or pair of gloves truly necessary? Do you require a new set of pajamas? Get them if the price is right and you really need them. Don't get it if you just want it. When I went over all of my receipts one year, I discovered that I spent half of my money on myself. Number 3, don't buy Christmas decorations. You can't help but be lured in by some of the most adorable mantle or table decorations. Those identical goods will be half price in roughly 6 weeks. Make sure you save some money for after Christmas discounts in your budget. Also, rather than decorating the entire house, concentrate on the 2 or 3 areas that your visitors will notice the most. The fireplace, living room, and dining room table, for example, are all high-traffic areas. You will not have to spend money on decorations for each room as a result of this. Number 4. Host a white elephant Christmas game with your friends. We know you like your friends, but buying each of them a unique present may quickly add up, especially if you have a large group. Organize a white elephant gift game. Everyone who brings a present is allowed to participate in the game, and everyone receives a gift. Set a price range for the present so that no one receives something absolutely useless or too costly. Number 5. Have a secret Santa exchange with your family. On the same theme as number 4, assuming the majority of your family is beyond the age of 15, they probably don't care too much about getting gifts anyway. Consider organizing a secret Santa instead of skipping gift giving entirely. Set a budget, choose names from a hat, and purchase a gift for one person rather than 10. Everyone receives one fantastic, personalized present. Number 6, give something personal and handmade. Arriving at a Christmas party with a fantastic, but expensive, bottle of wine may appear to be the ideal hostess present. Giving something homemade, on the other hand, may still demonstrate your thanks while also allowing you to save money during the holidays. Cookies, cakes, and other baked foods are excellent choices. If you're good at DIY, putting in a little elbow grease to produce jewelry, ceramics, or festive ornaments is also a fantastic choice and may help you save money for the holidays. Number 7. Organize potluck gatherings. If you're used to being the hostess with the mostest, having all of your friends around for food and beverages may rapidly add up, but that doesn't mean you can't unleash your inner Monica Geller this holiday season. Make your party a potluck and invite your friends to bring appetizers, desserts, and beverages to share, rather than providing all of the food and drinks on your own dime. You'll get a nice range of treats without having to pay for them yourself. Number 8. Participate in free activities. Parties, gift exchanges, and happy hours are all money-spending activities on their own over the holidays. Consider a date night stroll around your neighborhood park, a tour of local Christmas light displays, or a viewing of your favorite holiday film at home. Number 9. Don't wait. Don't leave it until the last minute to start shopping for gifts. You'll miss out on bargains and end up spending more when retailers increase their pricing as the holiday season approaches. Furthermore, the longer you wait to ship your gifts, the more money you may pay on postage. The bottom line is that you don't want your debt to be the Grinch who steals your holiday cheer. Base your gift buying on sentiment rather than dollar value and avoid giving yourself a year-round debt headache. If you follow these suggestions, you'll be singing joy to the world all over again when your Christmas bank and credit card statements arrive in the new year. Please share any of your Christmas money saving strategies in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe below, hit the like button and come back next week as I'll be bringing more personal finance guidance.